Next, in Scratch, we are going to create a sprite army. So we have chosen the sprite, get sprite only, which is the default sprite. Next, we are going to choose stage. So here I am choosing stars as backdrop. Now here in this, we are going to choose only one sprite, and that sprite will become many. So we'll go to events, and in events, when green flag is clicked, what we have to do? We have to hide this original sprite. So we'll go to looks, and in looks, here we are provided with hide. So whenever we click this green flag, this sprite is going to hide. Now here we are hiding the original sprite so that only clones are visible. Next we'll go to control, and in control we are going to select repeat 10. Here we can change our number, we can put repeat 5, 10, 15, 50 as we wish. Then we are going to choose create a clone for myself of myself. So create a clone of myself, and then we have to put a wait of a second. So from control itself, we are going to choose wait for a second. So whenever we'll click here, it is going to hide that original sprite. Right now it is not creating clone. The original sprite is hidden because of this block. Now this block is telling to make a clone of myself. That means that sprite is going to make clone of itself. And repeat 10 means it is going to repeat. It is a kind of loop which is going to repeat this process for 10 times with a wait of 1 second. Now again we'll go to control, and in control we are provided with this when I start as a clone. So this block will only run for clone and not for the original sprite. So when I start as a clone, then we have to go to look, and we have to show that clone sprite. That means this show is going to display that clone sprite, not that original one. That original one is now hidden. Now we'll go to motion, and in motion we are provided with go to X and Y coordinate. So we are putting it here, and here in this placeholder we'll go to operators, and in operators we are going to put pick random position from 1 to 10. We are going to put this thing in that X block and same thing in the Y block. And here we are mentioning the position like from X 200 to, or we can say minus 200 to plus 200. And for Y here I'm saying 150 to minus 150. So that clone sprite is going to move in between these 2 points. X point is minus 200 to plus 200, and the Y coordinate is plus 150 to minus 150. Then we'll go to control, and in control we are going to select forever loop, and in this forever loop we are going to put move 10 steps, and in the end if on edge bounce. That means everything in forever block keeps happening as long as the clone exists. So whenever we click this green flag, now we can see that sprite is moving and it is producing its clone. These are clone, not the original one, and these sprites are moving in this X and Y, in this specified X and Y position. And when these sprites are moving, are striking the edge, it is bouncing back. So this was our sprite army. If in case in place of 10, here if I put 50, it is going to produce more sprites because repetition is 50 times. So this is our clone army.